assembling part in the SOLIDWORKS from the set of the existing and outdoor carried out on the relevant document. It remains only the choice from the list of items to insert and position on the stage. Insert component. The first part in the assembly is fixed. Create first part, and that part is fixed. About that, evidenced by the letter F. Letter F to name the item on the build tree. Using the insert component on the panel assembly, add the rest of the detail by selecting them from list. Give me a moment, please. For example, I show insert some rod. Select component, pointing cursor on the item, move to the working field assembly. And point position, using the conjugation condition on the panel assembly. Mate. To ensure the relationship between mating parts. Concentric. Coincident. Tangent. Insert position rod and set the mate. It's concentric. And concentric, and coincident, that plate and that plate, this item. Testing assembly. Move component. Okay. Assembly create with a mates.